Some random cards today again. Gonna go through this Blizzard Legacy Collection trading cards, and we got two of those Legacy Collection boxes, and we have one box of the Marvel Beginnings Volume 2 Series 1 trading cards. So, thought these look cool. Hopefully we pull something nice. Hopefully we get a profit, but hopefully just grade them and see what we get. All right, we're gonna open up the Blizzard ones first before we get into it. Looks like, So randomly inserted into these specially marked packs for the following Blizzard Legacy Collection. The Horde Parallel is 1 of 1. The Molten Core Parallel is 1 in 70. Insert cards, Art of Samwise is 1 of 140. Ultimate Readies are 1 in 140. And the Innkeeper Classic Collection are 1 in 40. Of course, odds stated reflected an average of the entire production run. No ratio is guaranteed. And it looks like there's some insert cards. So that'll be kind of cool to kind of hopefully pull and hopefully get something nice. So we got Genji. Who is this one? Lady Leandrin? And again, so is the rarity on the back or is it right in front? Right in front. Must be the color of the lettering, right? Must tell you the rarity. We've got Ram, RPM Racing. Looks like we have a red Cassia. Let's look in the back. This is the Horde. Right, you can see Horde on the back. So Cassia's a Horde. And we have Kundran Wildhammer. This is, again, just a standard card. So colorations are going to be what we're looking for. Probe. We have Black Hand. Tychus Findlay. StarCraft. You've got a Wrecking Ball. Or the Wrecking Ball. Ash. What is this? Thrall. Ooh, got a Herodic Cube. HC14. Well, that's pretty sick. Nice. Herodic Cube. And we have the Horde Zergling. Just a standard Horde. Because they ain't numbered, they ain't fancy. We've got Valerian Minsk. Who's this fancy lady? Tyrande Whisperwind. Tyrande. Chen Storm Stouts. Magni Bronzebeard. Sergeant Hammer. What is this? Elise Starseeker. Echo. So, oh nice, we got a Horde of Mercy. Ariel. You've got Rexar. Alright. Urgum. Alright. Ururim Doomhammer? Anna. We've got an Anub Arak. RPM Racing. A classic old school game, right? Horde Inaris. So this looks like classic standard Hordes. Ondario. So nothing fancy. Nothing fancy yet besides the Herodic Cube. Dentarg. Diablo. Sick looking, nice looking, but it's just a standard Diablo. Who is this guy? Illidan Stormrage. Greymane. Lunara. Golden. Horde. Yeah, looks like we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hordes. 5th horde. Little disappointing, but you know, like I said, there's no guarantees, right? Uther Lightbringer. You've got Hydralisk. That's pretty sick, though. Nice looking. It's a standard. Alexei Stukov. You've got Khadgar. Is it Nathan Kale Sunstrider? Farah, Tracer, Nemzi Necro Fizzle, etc. or ETC. Our first sideways horde, Lady Vashu, Golden, Baneling, a Malfurion Stormrage, Malfurion Stormrage again, Manoroth, Garrosh Hellscream, Rock and Roll Racing, Blackthorn. Really cool, really fun, really hard, challenging Super Nintendo game, Blackthorn. We've got Varrock Saurfang, Queen of Blades, and Artanis. Okay, so 1 Harada Cube. A little disappointing, but you know, just hordes. Hopefully again with this pack, with this set, we'll put something better. We'll put something more than just your standard hordes. All right, we got Deathwing. Maya's Shadow Song, Reaper, a Harada Cube again for Lilith. Okay, see, off to a good start. A Zealot, Horde, Chagall, Duriel. What is it? Sargeras, Sylvanas Windrunner, Lost Vikings. Old school game. Another great Super Nintendo game. Winston, got a May. Yeah. Let's see, Retro Arcade Collection, right? Horde version, Belial, Gom, Lady Vashi, Garrosh Hellscream. Come on, let's go. Lucio, Lost Vikings, Horde Leoric, the standard Horde again. Unknown Luthar, Zergling, Inaris, Uthar Lightbringer, Johanna, Lost Viking, Genji. Ooh, come on, Marvel cards. They're just ready to be in the action here. Hopefully there'll be something better in there. But so far, Lady Lidrin, nothing too hype. Sombra, Leia, Kudrin Wildhammer, Probe, RPM Racing, Wrecking Ball again, Ash, Deckard Cain, Blackhand, Titus Finley, Valerian Minx, Tyrande Whisperwind, Thrall. No, coming to the very end. Magno Bronzebeard. Or Magni, yep. We got that Skyhammer. Elise Starseeker. There's the last horde. Hanzo Shimada. Chen Stormstout. We got one more chance. Ariel. Or Ariel. Rexar. Echo. Anna. Coming up, RPM Racing. Just a Phoenix. Doomhammer. Andariel. Dentarg. And Diablo. Not too good. 2 Harada Cubes. Don't know how rare those are, but wish we put something better. Let's just see how we did with the other Marvel packs. Alright, so before we begin, let's just take a look at things. So the base set, Red Supernova is in 1 out of 5.33. Your Red's in the 1 in 24. No, let's see. Red Supernova, what is it, Red? Red Supernova, 1 in 5. Rainbow is 1 in 24. A blue is 1 in 40. A black's 1 in 60. 1 in 150 is your inserts for the deep lore weapons. 1 in 3.33 is team formations. 1.67 is Cosmic Alpha. 1.67 is a point in time. 1 in 67 is illustration boards. 1 in 26 is flipped FX. Whether that's purple or regular, numbered up to 10 creator gallery signatures. 1 in 1200. Holy crap. So that's what we want. The number to 10. Number to 10. Let's see how we did. Now, little weird looking, or just not your typical Marvel cards. I grew up with those Fleer, right, cards back in the 90s. So let's just see how these cards look. Oh crap. Alright, so we have the Lizard. We have the Marvel Beginnings. They're all Marvel Beginnings. We have a point in time. Impossible Man. Is he numbered? No. It's just your red refractor. It's kind of cool. It's kind of like little, I don't know. It looks like a binary, not binary, an electrical point. So that was card number 3, right? Because I think 5 per pack. Danny Ketch, a Ghost Rider, a Victoria Hand, Constrictor, Marvel Beginnings. I guess another one. Purple Man, Cosmic Alpha. Okay. Yay, Miss Marvel. Cosmic Beginnings. No, just Cosmic Spider-Man. Not Ego. Scorpion. Ooh, team formations. Wave. Gorilla Girl. Drax the Destroyer. Black Talon. Alright. Oh, deep lore weapon plus. Aren't these really? Yeah, okay, sweet. I think these ones were a little harder to pull. Kingmaker. Puck. Edwin Jarvis. Like in Iron Man's Jarvis? Tony Stark allowed the Avengers to use the use of his personal butler. Yeah, it is Jarvis. Okay, cool. Valkyrie. King. You got Dupe. That's an interesting character. Is it an X-Men? It's got the X label on it. Oh, X-Force. Dupe. X-Force's videographer. Survive and attack the ones killed him. Oh, interesting. Demon Bear. Taboo. Ant-Man. Impossible Man. So we got them. We got a double of them, but a different rarity. Throg. Gore the God Butcher. Cyclops. Davin Shakari. Ooh, an illustration board. Sweet. What is this numbered? IDB 69. So just an illustration board. Let's go back and look at the thing, but it's kind of sick. That's nice. Stone, Onslaught, Diamond Hellstrom, Baron Blood, Deep Lore. So Weapon 9, Weapon 11. Weapon 11 was carried out in absolute secrecy. Goliath, Pilgrim, Tiger Shark. Nice. Old School Wolverine. And Cosmic Alpha God Bomb. Beta Ray Bill. Manifold. Sweet. So Marvel Beginnings. So it looks like it's just yeah. Oh, cool. Let's know it's a base. Kind of goes over the characters' timeline. So Manifold. I have no idea who this guy is. Gateway permitted his understudy Eden Fessy to join the Secret Warriors. 2012, Captain America and Iron Man recruited Manifold to the Avengers. 2016, Manifold helped Black Panther handle a violent rebellion in Wakanda. 2020, he was quintessential of the Mutant Space Program's teleport team. So I say, yeah, definitely did better with the Marvel one. So if you want to see more, just let me know. And if you pulled or if you open packs, let me know what you pulled. Cool. Peace out.